It's that time of year again when wintersweet blossoms release their fragrance, but flowers wither and bloom again. How can we preserve the scent of wintersweet? Today, we'll draw on ancient methods to retain this delicate fragrance by making a traditional wintersweet balm. Back in the day, the ancients didn't have essential oil extraction techniques or chemical fragrance technologies like we do today. To make balms, they used animal fats from pigs or cows, spread over a flat surface, then covered the fat with flower petals. They would change the petals based on the type of flower, typically once a day. This process was repeated over 30 times to let the fat fully absorb the flower's scent, achieving a natural extraction of fragrance. This method is known as the Zixi technique. Following traditional practices, we can also use plant-based oils to make balm. For example, olive oil or apple seed oil and other tree oils can be used. The first step in making the balm is to select wintersweet blossoms that have just been picked, ensuring they are fresh and clean, but do not wash them with water. Next, place the clean wintersweet flowers into a well-sealed jar. Add a suitable amount of plant oil, just enough to cover the flowers. Seal the jar and let it infuse for 1 to 2 days. Then replace the flowers. Repeat this process for 1 month. During this time, replace the flowers at least 8 to 15 times. The more frequently you change the flowers, the more fragrant the balm will be. After a month of infusion, the base oil is ready to use. We filter out the base oil and blend it with beeswax through gentle heating. The beeswax should be about 1/4 the amount of base oil. When heating, keep the temperature low, just enough to melt the beeswax. The lower the temperature, the better. The goal is to preserve the flower's fragrance. In the video, beeswax is heated first and then mixed using a double boiler to better control the temperature. Once the base oil and beeswax are fully blended, pour the liquid into suitable containers before it solidifies. After it cools and hardens, the balm is ready to use. Apply a small amount of balm to the wrists or neck. Its subtle, elegant scent lingers in the air, refreshing and uplifting. Generally, the fragrance lasts for about 3 to 4 hours.